Oh, no. David, wake up!
What happened?
Our flight is at 7!
What? We have to get up now!
Where are my shoes?
I cannot find Bunny.
Hurry, everyone!
We'll find them, Leo. Keep looking.
David, help him. Lily, stay close.
Oh, no.
The toast is black! No time for toast!
Wait,
What?
Where are the passports?
Uh-oh.
we need to find them.
Check everywhere. I cannot see them. Wait.
I found them! Where? Under the pancakes. Oh. Hurry! Hurry! Everyone get in the car! Wait for me!
I'm getting the bags in.
The traffic is terrible.
We only have 30 minutes. Will we miss the plane? I don't want to miss Disneyland. Run! This airport is huge! I am tired. Keep going! Almost there! Gate 24, this way.
Hurry. This airport is huge.
My feet hurt.
What if we are too late?
Keep moving! I want to sleep.
We are almost there. Did we miss it?
You are just in time.
Really?
Oh, thank goodness.
We made it.
We made it.
That was stressful.
Look at the airplane! I am excited now. We are finally boarding! Yes, we are. Are we flying now?
Very soon.
The airplanes look so small from here.
This is your first big trip.
I like airplanes.
Now we can finally relax.
We are flying! I am scared. It is okay.
Everything is fine. They are finally asleep.
Today was a big adventure.
Our adventure is only beginning.
More adventures are waiting for us.